So, Assalamu alaikum ji. Today is second lecture of SEO course. In this video, we are going to talk about content planning sheet. What is that? Okay, so let me just tell you before we start. Content is most important thing for your website. Okay, let me show you some example. For example, let me open up Google. Just right here, tree service Tampa. Okay, I just type tree service Tampa. They are ads, we don't need to open that. Okay, and secondly, first of all, let me open the first website, Tampa Tree Service. Okay, so let's open this. Here's a website, tampatreeservice.net. Okay, so just look at that content. Okay, it's too lengthy, so let me just search Control F and pre-service Tampa. How many keywords are there? Four keywords are there, right? 1 2 3 4. Okay, these are main keyword. Trade service Tampa, its main keyword. Okay, also he target here secondary keyword. Trade service Tampa is primary keyword, and secondary keyword is tree trimming service, tree service near me, best tree service company, tree removal service near me, tree care company, cheap tree service, or tree service Tampa. Okay, so what we going to do, I have a sheet, I have a template. Just look at these are our keyword page. Here's keywords. For home page we are going to target this one is our main keyword, landscaping Philadelphia. Okay, and this one is second page, inner page, and this one is primary keyword for inner page. Okay, and as well landscape design Philadelphia, this one is primary keyword, and this all is secondary keyword we are going to target in our inner page. Okay, so let me just tell you what we are going to do. This one, home page, landscaping Philadelphia. Let me just show you something. Let me open href. Okay, sign in, landscaping, keyword explorer. In keyword explorer section, it's United States. Okay, landscaping Philadelphia. Okay, 1.8k volume, and the keyword difficulty is 3, which is too easy to rank. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to do search. Let me open a private browser, Google. Oh, sorry, let me just setting about USA. In setting section, search setting, show more. Okay, we are clicking in United States, save. Then here, let me just add my keyword and search. Okay, just open 3 or 4 websites. These are our competitor. Okay, this one is home, this one, and this one, and this one. Okay, my internet is a bit slow. Let's wait to open website. Okay, they all have a not lengthy content on their website. They just add some content like That's are not good. That's are not good. Okay, so let me just go to second page. Open this one. Open this one. Open this one. Let's see what we found. Okay, let me just move to another niche. Let me just add here value is city, and here we add dentist. Okay, randomly we search something. Okay, first let me open valuedentist.us, valuedentist.com. Okay, this one, three website I open. Then need to verify truck, and next truck. Okay, where is another one? This one, I think. Let's verify this. valuedentist.com, this website. uh, this website. Okay. Look, they have a good content on their website. Family and cosmetic, dentistry. Okay, they have a good content. Look at this one. Why chooses their services, view more services, professional membership, and they have map, and here is form. Okay, and in this website they also have a content, bit content, not good. Okay, in this one, what they have, this website is not properly working. I think my internet is bit slow, I don't know why. Okay, let's see this. Your dentist in value wa. Okay, and this one, this Yelp, and all their reviews on in different websites. Check insurance coverage. Okay, this is good one. What we need to do, first of all, you have to check your competitor, what they are doing, what type of content they have. Okay, for example, we need content planning sheet on landscaping Philadelphia. Our main keyword is landscaping Philadelphia. This one is old content planning sheet, I already have it. Okay, so what I do here, landscaping Philadelphia, I just search on Philadelphia landscaping company, what they are doing. Okay, so I found some different ideas on different websites. Excuse me. Okay, so after that I analyze, after lot of time spent, I analyze what I need to do. I add up first main heading, a professional landscaping company in Philadelphia. Here I have main keyword landscaping. Okay, and landscaping company in Philadelphia. This is long tail keyword, and this is landscaping, professional landscaping is normal keyword. I target two keyword in one heading. Okay, the second one is landscape design and maintenance. The third one, why choose us, and fourth one, our professional team. After that we add schedule. Okay, so here is some things. In first section you need to add your primary keyword. Okay, your primary keyword, what keyword you want to rank, primary keyword. Okay, landscaping Philadelphia. Let me just open href again, landscaping Philadelphia, enter, and after that what I do, view all keyword. Landscaping Philadelphia is our main keyword. Okay, Philadelphia landscaping companies. landscaping, Philadelphia landscape, Philadelphia PA landscaping. Okay, here we have 1 2 3 4 4 or 5 keywords. Okay, so what I do, I add main keyword here, primary keyword as a primary keyword, landscaping Philadelphia. The other keyword is secondary keyword is landscaping Philadelphia PA, residential landscaping Philadelphia, landscaper near me Philadelphia, landscaping company in Philadelphia. Okay, I add these keyword. These are secondary and this first one is primary keyword. Okay, so what we do, for example, you need to write content for your website or for your client website. What you need to do, you need to make this type of content sheet. Okay, here is keyword, this second content outline, and the third one SEO input. Okay, so what you know main keyword is this one. After, in this heading, I mean in this paragraph, we need to target this keyword. Okay, one time. Look, here's structure information, primary keyword should be repeat 2 times and secondary 1 time in the content. It's depend on how many words you are going to write on your website. For example, let me add 1200. Okay, the content should be with bullets point. Okay, content, your content need to be user friendly, easy to read, and everything is clear. Your topic is need to clear. Okay, secondly, structure information, primary keyword you need to use 2 times and secondary keyword 1 time in the content. Okay, after that we are going to talk about subheading should be in H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6 you can remove, H5 you can remove. We are going to only use H2 or H3 or max H4, not H5 and H6, where other keywords should be included. Okay, included keyword, other suggestion in the heading, subheading, and in every paragraph. You see, if you are content writer as well, you understand what I mean. Okay, if you are not, you need to explain your content writer what they need to do, what she need to do, or what he need to do. Okay, landscaping. After making this sheet, you need to first of all find what kind of content heading you are going to add in your website. Okay, after that you need to tell your content writer this is heading. Okay, you need to write content about this, like you need to content about this heading. After that, this one. After that, why choose us? After that, our professional team. After, scheduler, whatever. Okay, this is for home page. Okay, for example, you have 10 pages or 5 pages or 20 pages. How many pages you have, it's up to you. Or after that, you need to do landscaping, lighting. You need to write content planning for this inner page as well. Okay, landscape lighting Philadelphia, professional landscape lighting in Philadelphia, type of landscape lighting, why choose us. Okay, and first here our primary keyword is landscaping lighting Philadelphia. Okay, these are same. You need to just change content outline and keyword. Okay, you need to add keyword, primary keywords, your secondary keyword about your service, about your what you are doing. Okay, after that we need to talk about landscape design Philadelphia, landscape design company in Philadelphia, landscape design and maintenance. Anything you need to just spend time on Google, how to find what you need to do on your website. First of all, landscaping, how you can do. For example, just open Google, search landscaping. Okay, what is included in landscaping, this. Okay, you can add this heading or this question on your website as well. Look what Google give you. People also ask, I mean people also ask this, people also search this. What is included in landscaping? What do you mean by landscaping? How much should I spend on landscaping my yard? Okay, you can use this. You can use this one, and like for example, you just click here. You got more ideas. Okay, how much should I spend on landscaping my yard? Okay, you can add this one is here or here. You can add here, insert. Okay, I just add randomly. I'm not going to fix text section or text font size and anything. Okay, whatever. Landscaping. Okay, my yard or whatever you need to add keyword. Okay, or you can add this question also in FAQ section in your website. Okay, for example, let me just add this one here, and other one what include in landscaping. Okay, this one, and does landscaping increase property value? This one is good question. This one. Okay, so here you need to add your URL. For example, I don't have this website right now with me. Let me just check land. Give me a second. Let me just check this website. I have it or no? Landscape. No, I don't have. Okay, whatever. So you need to do search on your competitor, what type of content they have, what they are doing. You need to search about your competitor. You need to search about keyword, which keyword you are going to use in main heading, which is secondary keyword, which keyword is going to in second keyword in second heading, and which one you need to add in third heading, and which one you need to add in FAQ section. Okay, so these are content planning sheet. Okay, let me just show you something. Let me open a Fiverr account and I will show you. You can only make this content planning sheet and sell on Fiverr. Okay, let me just content uh, here is it. Oh, my spelling is wrong, sorry for mistake. Okay, this one is right. Content type without like blog topic ideas. I'll create your Instagram content. No, I don't need that. I don't need that. This one is good. Easy to rank keyword, organic graphic, advanced keyword research. This one, no, this one, content plan. Okay, let me just change keyword content planning or content plan. Okay, see, 224 service available. Okay, you can make gig on this and you can sell your service here. This one, I will create content plan for your blog. I will create content plan, keyword search, content strategy for website. Okay, let's see what he doing. I will create your full content marketing tip to success and your website recommendation on type of content marketing channel to use. Look, he sell his basic package in $50 and the standard package in $120 and premium package in $250. Okay, so you can also do this. Okay, this one I will do SEO keyword research, content plan, website analysis. Okay, he have 2 order in queue and his Fiverr rank is level 2. What he do? Quality keyword research plus 2 competitor plus market overview expert opinion. Okay, he charged $15 in basic package and standard package. What he doing? Advanced keywords research for competitor content plan, SEO top pages expert opinion. He doing the standard package is $14 and premium package is $70. You can also sell this on Fiverr if you want. Okay, this one you have. I will create a content plan for your blog. You have 3 order in queue. Look, 12 post basic package. He charge $115 a starter content plan for blog launch. The second one is 36 posts. Okay, and regular size monthly content plan 16 posts $500. Okay, he have 3 order in queue. Oh my god, it's good. His last delivery about 3 hours ago. Okay, 1 order in queue. uh, you can see there is many gigs they have a order in queue. Also do this. If you want this content plan sheet, just comment on a YouTube and I will send you this keyword planning sheet template. Okay, you can add your keyword, your client keyword, or make outline or sell this one on Fiverr on other freelancing website. Okay, hopefully you like this video. If you like, give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon and never miss an update. Okay, see you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.